Universities and higher education are always under tremendous pressure to do more with less, and nowhere is it more true than with data and storage. So Jeff, can you tell us what we're seeing with universities today?
Yeah, universities are seeing several challenges. The first biggest one is just the sheer volume of data they're dealing with. Whether it's DNA research in the genomics department or filming football games in the media team, there's just a lot of data to deal with. The second thing is just the variety of groups, particularly when you've got a centralized IT department managing data for various departments. They have to work with various groups and deal with data differently. The third is just the challenge of trying to provide data transparently to users, whether it's on primary storage or archived secondary storage. So those are some of the big challenges they're facing. Krishna, what are some of the solutions we have to provide them?
With Spectra and Komprise, we can save these universities over 70% of their costs, because if you look at the data that they're managing, you mentioned there's a huge volume of data and it's growing. 80% of that data is really not accessed much and it's cold. And with Komprise, we identify that data for them and we show them how much each department can save. Because the second point you brought up is, a lot of times universities have a shared services environment and there's a variety of needs by department. So with Komprise, you can actually set up policies by department. You can show each department what's happening to their own data and set different policies for each department on when to move that data to cost-efficient Spectra storage and also when to replicate that data to Spectra storage. So by doing these things, customers can save over 70% of their costs, and the moved data that's sitting in Spectra looks like it's still there on primary storage.
Great, so and let me tell you a little bit about our Spectra storage. So the main product we have is Black Pearl. That acts as a target for Komprise. And the Black Pearl box, what it does is it can move data to a variety of secondary storage devices, whether that's Spectra tape or disk, or replicating a copy to another site, or adding it to the public cloud. We can provide the low-cost secondary storage option that's highly reliable, but very affordable, that best meets your needs. So Krishna, if a university wanted to find out for themselves how much money they could save and how it would work, what would they do?
Universities can contact Spectra or Komprise to get a complimentary assessment of your own data and the savings in your own environment.